how fast?
Yeah. Very fast. It's going way faster. Super fast.
Super fast?
Yes.
Super fast?
Yeah. Oh, this is shaking me. Hold on.
I gotta hide some stuff off this email. Hold on real quick. Alright, as y'all can see, I'm over here with my boy, and we just finished doing some test runs.
Blank.
So the issues I'm having right now is that the shift points is off. At first it was first gear, then now it's at first it was the second gear was tripping, now the first gear is tripping. So what? Yeah, the first gear was messed up. The second gear was messed up. He corrected that one, and the first gear started tripping. It shifted at like, let me see if I can find it real quick. Stop. Hey, watch out, boy. I'll punch you out. See, if you look right here, watch when it shifts. You see how it's going up to 2,000 RPM and it's at 17 miles. And then if you look at the fuel, it was just all messed up on this and whatever. So I'm going to do it again. That's me driving, trying to get it to shift or whatever. Trying to get it to shift, trying to get the shift, trying to get the shift, trying to get the shift. Is at 3,000. And then it finally shifts at like 24 or something like that. So I was on the phone with Pac-Man for an hour and a half. Stop. I was on the phone with Pac-Man for an hour and a half trying to get all this stuff situated. So what we're doing is I will show y'all my face, but my lips ashy again. So what I'm doing, I am sending out I'm recording this live feed, sending it to Pac-Man. He's sending me a new file. I open a new file, I put it in, so on and so on. So when a new one come in, I'll show y'all exactly what we're doing and start it up. And I can't take you on a test run, but I'll show you what it do. All right, this is my first time taking this truck out, like really driving it. I'm about to go to Vatos. I gotta buy some more transmission fluid. It just needs maybe a quart. So anything that can happen, will happen. See how I shifted late? That's what we're trying to fix right now, and it's stumbling or whatever. So I gotta buy some mass airflow cleaner too and see what's going on with this thing. So I get back with y'all in a minute. Leaving that Vato zone over here with the LS swap truck. Yeah, and the AC blowing cold. Don't mind, that's just HpTuners. Put that Pac-Man performance tune on there. What? She acting retarded. And we got the chocolate donuts in the front. Mass airflow was acting retarded earlier. What? Clear all that. Alright, cool. Wee! Take it for this little drive real quick, man. Yeah, car low, bro. Man, this dumbass mass airflow's pissed me off, so I just unplugged it completely. Yeah, it's driving better, but I still gotta plug it up. Yeah, she hot. Trailblazer SS, cuz don't want it. Nah, he'll probably tear this damn truck. Well, he ain't no probably, he will. That's that Trailblazer I was talking about. That mug is clean. Trailblazer SS. It need gears, but she get ratchet though, boy. She get ratchet. Alright, pretty much been on this thing all damn day, so start it up. Cut right on. Focus. Literally all day, man. It's pretty much time to just get her on up. Damn, stupid ass thing. Pretty much time just to get her up out of here now. Yeah, she's right. I like it a lot better than what it was doing before. I cleaned that mass airflow, that code went away. And if you can hear it, it's idling a lot more smoother. Yeah, buddy. Let's show y'all a little drive real quick. Car got a bumpy ride. This camera having a hard time focusing today. Ugh. Put it on the street. Let me check this mass airflow one more time, just to be sure. Yeah, it's running kind of funky. Nope, didn't come back. I'm gonna go ahead and take off right now because we got some traffic coming. In the morning, me and my brother G on our way to work. Dang, bro, I can't even see you. That's how it looks and feels to be black. Yeah, so taking the OBS to work, it's like 10 miles one way, it'll be 10 miles back, so that's probably a total of 50 miles that I'm gonna drive this truck. And yeah, the shift points is cool. Just gonna have to get another mass airflow. That's the main issue right now. I cleaned it, it did okay. So the mass airflow is good now, but the what is it called? I forgot the code it was getting, but it's air intake temperature or whatever it's called, intake air temperature sensor. They're both in one, so that's what's messed up. So alright, I get at y'all. Dark as hell, but we on the freeway, man. And she rolling good. There's the strip. About to leave work real quick. About to get cracking on the truck. About to get cracking on the truck. Got my brother with me. Oh shoot. Freaking nose scope. It's open. It's open.
There's a little snow coming down.
Yeah, I know. We was looking at it earlier today.
I was like, what the fuck is that? Is that ashes?
White people ain't never seen snow. And I was like, he's a unicorn.
Hey, Sean.
Yo.
That's snow flurry.
Remember we was talking about that earlier today.
Yeah, I thought you was just messing with me.
That was real snow. Another white guy that ain't never seen snow. Alright, so we about to... You stupid.
Hey, mind the sizes.
We about to dry this thing.
How do you do it?
You just gotta pour it in there. Let me see.
Like this?
Yep, now pour it all in there. You got it? Hold it. You gotta hold it. You gotta make sure you get all of it. You getting all of it?
Mm-hmm.
Is it empty yet?
Mm-hmm.
See, you gotta hold it like that.
Mm-hmm.
You don't want you wanting me helping on. Now you gotta shake it while it's in there. Yay, yay. Put the top on. And we gotta do daddy car when we get home, alright?
Okay.
Alright, cool. Gotta make it click. On what?
On there.
Yeah, that's the password. Alright, that buddy. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
What's your name?
HpTuners.
Alright, let's do the same thing like last time, okay? You gotta keep it this way so Daddy can see it. Ready?
Yeah.
Alright.
It's going faster.
What? It's going fast?
Yeah. Very fast. It's going way faster. Super fast.
Super fast?
Yes.
Super fast?
Yeah. Oh, this is shaking me. Hold on. Put the computer down. And I don't
Let Daddy see? Alright, it can't be that because I just put a new one in.
What? I can't find the seatbelt. Where's the seatbelt, Daddy?
It's okay, son. You don't need it. It's cool. We're not going nowhere.
Then how are you supposed to see Daddy?
With my eyes. See, no, it wasn't
Where's
mine.
the X button?
Nah, okay, yeah, go ahead. Just don't press nothing else. Don't be acting like you know what you're doing.
Yeah.
I know what you're doing. Tell me I'm hitting the X button.
This button I was pressing. Oh, that.
Yeah, don't press no more though, so I leave that open.
Looks going way fast.
Way fast?
Mm-hmm.
You like that?
Yeah.
Alright. Say, be right back.
Okay, be right back.
You gotta look at the camera and say it.
Be right back.
Yep. It's New Year's Eve and I'm out here messing with this damn truck, man. I don't know, man. I don't know, man. I ain't gonna lie, this truck whooped me. It really did. I just changed the spark plugs in it. Put a new
Call from
master
Pac-Man.
flow. Pac-Man, I'm writing the tune you just sent me. Oh, let me see what the big homie want real quick.